I am originally from America, but right now I'm living in Peru.
Okay. Your name is Mr. K?
Yeah, you can call me Cayman.
Okay, Kevin. Okay.
Where are you from?
I am from India in the western part of the Maharashtra.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Okay, please tell me about something for yourself. You do job or any other work?
Right now I'm just doing Cambly, but before I moved to Peru, when I was living in America, I was a personal trainer.
Okay. How have you been using for Cambly app?
About 4 months.
Okay, it's cool thing.
Yeah, yeah, I like it.
Okay. And please choose any topic that discussion for on that topic. Suppose to you can choose.
Okay. Um, well, let me ask you, what do you do for work?
Oh, I am to work in the teaching field because I'm working for college in the chemistry subject to teach.
Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah. When I was in school, I hated chemistry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I did not understand it.
Yes, yes. Because for some people's have different person have different that's mentality or it's interesting thing. Suppose any person's like as well any person's like for biology and chemistry that different mentality.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yes, yes.
So, do you have any hobbies or what do you do for fun?
Yes, I like supposed to reading novels in the Marathi language because my native language is Marathi, and I would like music listening. Sometimes I'm singing is also that's my hobbies, and I am to going supposed to new area. This my like hobbies.
Okay, nice. Yeah, reading's a good hobby to have.
Yes,
Yeah.
because I am not sometimes to not mood for reading. That time is also, but some little topic I am to also reading, and that's like and it's very knowledgeable is also.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I don't read much, but I like watching a lot of documentaries.
Yes, they are also helping for that in our daily to daily life for documentaries and
Yeah, yeah, I think so as well.
yeah.
Have you ever been outside of your country?
No, I am not going still now outside of the country, but in the future, when I am to get opportunity, I will also going for that abroad area.
Yeah, definitely. Where would you like to travel?
Yes, yes. I think USA, Africa, and this city fair mainly basically mind and my heart package that save it.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think Africa would be very interesting to visit.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I
Yes,
think.
please.
Oh, go
Okay.
ahead.
Okay, I'm to say for what your hobbies you like what is reading and other is also.
Um, I would say I like to exercise, um, and I like to rollerblade.
Okay.
Yeah,
For even you to choose for supposed to sometimes mood is not in your interesting what that time you are doing that time.
oh, could you say that again?
Yes, yes, I am to say sometimes for in the daily routine our mood is that changing, sometimes mood is not like it, and what do you know at that time?
How do I how do
Yes,
I do
yes,
what?
yes.
Sorry, I don't think I understand your question.
Okay, please tell me something about your routine daily life.
Oh, okay, okay. Um, yeah, usually I wake up, and the first thing I do is wash dishes. I usually wash the dishes from dinner because after I eat dinner, I'm too tired to wash the dishes. So I'll wash the dishes. My girlfriend will make me breakfast, um, and so I'll eat breakfast and then start working on Cambly usually. Um, and then after Cambly for a few hours, my girlfriend will make lunch. We'll eat lunch together, and then I go back to work on Cambly. And then once I'm done with Cambly for the day, maybe me and her will do something outdoors. I like to be outdoors a lot, so maybe go walking in a park, something like that. Maybe go skating. Um, yeah.
Okay. And what you in the your English language you would like to improving?
What would I like to improve in?
Okay.
Um, just like, are you asking what would I like to improve in my life, or?
That you supposed to going for any front of that persons and to speaking supposed to hesitation is also that happening, that what do you like that time, what is that main role of that tips you give up?
Sorry, I don't think I understand your question.
Okay, I'm to say what do you like that sometimes our get for in the front of the any persons to speaking in the English language, sometimes hesitation is also happening. Please give the tips for that. Suppose that not happen really mostly.
Oh, okay. Um, like to improve your English,
Yes.
uh, maybe watch a movie in English, and then have your language subtitles at the bottom of the movie. Um, yeah, I feel like that can help your English a lot.
Okay. Which type of the movie you are see?
Ooh, I like comedy movies.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, comedy movies. Right now, me and my girlfriend are watching a series on Netflix. Uh, it's called Ozark, and I would suggest watching that. That's a really it's a really good series. It's kind of a mix between action and drama. Yeah.
That is to it's very supposed to up we are see for movies and the subtitles is also improving our accent as well fluency.
Yeah, yeah, it will. And I think with movies, you will come across words that maybe you wouldn't find in like a lesson plan, or words that you wouldn't think about learning. Maybe.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. And what about in their now climate that summer or it's very hot or cool?
Right now in Peru, it is winter. Um, but I'm living in Lima, which is the capital, and it's on the really close to the ocean. Um, and the winter is not cold at all. It's actually really nice here still. Um, yeah, where I'm from in America, uh, winter time gets really cold and it snows a lot. So I'm not used to having a winter where it's so warm.
Okay. And please tell me about for your countries. What is the mostly in the natural part of in there? Which is the places in their universities?
Okay. Well, I grew up in Kansas, which is in the center of the United States. Um, the nature in Kansas, well, it's very flat in Kansas. So we don't have any mountains, not very many hills, but a lot of land, and a lot of open land. It's not very populated, so there's not a lot of people in Kansas. So you do get a lot of nature, a lot of forest